I ask everyone to please stand up for our silent prayer. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir. It's nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Please take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Now let us check the attendance. Parsita, Johari,
Jamela.
Lomela, Dayan, Nurhani, Joanne, Habir. So everyone, who can read our lesson objective for today? Please.
By the end of the lessons, the students will be able to identify three main types of rocks, describe the igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic, and explain how each type is formed.
Now, let's go to the first activity. The activity 1 is the rock type match-up. Who can first? Sinong gustong unang sagot ng number 1?
Bilog yan ay machine type. Sure ka ning?
Sure. Number 2.
Hindi mo na lang.
Number 3. Number 4.
Matuto pa kayo wala na.
Nalala ko sa iyo. Subukan mo na po tayo.
Ay, sino man ka ka?
Number 5.
Mabot mo dyan?
Now, your answer is all correct. Now, let's move to the next activity. Activity 2 is rock sorting. Ngayon is, may ibigay akong pictures is ilagay nyo dito sa mga boxes kung igneous, sediment, or metamorphic siya. I will divide you into 2 groups. Group 1, Group 2. Group 1,
Pain na. Ano yan? Uy, magpayo ka. Malilig ko yan na, Bir.
Ito siya. Ngayon, sino ka alam kung anong topic natin ngayong araw?
Choosing types of rocks.
Sino?
The three main types of rocks.
Correct. Our topic for today is the three main types of rock. The igneous, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock. Igneous rock, who can read? Okay.
Igneous rock are fire-borne rocks from the cooling and solidification of molten rock, magma underground or lava on the surface. They are categorized as intrusive, slow cooling, large crystal, and like granite, or intrusive, fast cooling, small crystal like basalt.
Ang igneous rock is ay nanggaling mula sa lava or magma ng isang bulkan. Pag ang magma or ang lava is dandan siyang lumalamig at doon siya nagiging igneous rock. So ang igneous rock ay pwede siyang magmula sa ilalim ng lupa or nasa taas. Ang sa ilalim ng lupa is tinatawag na intrusive. Ito ay nabubuo mula sa ilalim ng bulkan sa subchamber niya. Ito naman ang extrusive is sa pagputok ng bulkan, doon sa ang lava is bumababa siya, doon siya dahan-dahan lumalamig at doon ay nabubuo ang basalt. So sunod is sedimentary rock. Who can read?
Formed from accumulated weathered
Right?
bites of other rocks, organic matter, or chemical precipitates, compacted on cemented and in layers on Earth's surface, often containing fossils with example like sandstone, or from sand, limestone, or shells and chemicals, shale or mud and coal or plants. They are crucial for underground Earth's history, revealing past environment through their distinct behavior and composition.
So ang sedimentary rock, ito ay nabubuo mula sa tatlong uri. Ang sandstone, mud, and shell. Dito, ang sedimentary rock, dito siya nabubuo malapit sa dagat, sa ilog, or sa mga lawa. Ang sedimentary rock is nabubuo siya layer by layer. Doon siya tinatawag na sedimentary rock, kaya siya na tawag doon dahil sa kanyang larawan or ang kanyang itsura is layered by layer siya. Next is metamorphic rock. Sinong pwedeng pumasa? Miss.
Metamorphic rock are pre-existing rock, igneous, sedimentary, or other metamorphic rocks, transformed by intense heat, pressure, or hack. Fluids deep within the earth change them with chemical composition, texture, and crystal structure without fully melting them, resulting in new rock like slate, marble, and quartzite, often showing bonding or pollution.
Ang metamorphic rock, dito siya is nabubuo siya mula sa ilalim ng lupa na hindi siya ito natutunaw kundi sa sobrang init and pressure niya. Doon siya nabubuo. Ang metamorphic rock is nabubuo siya galing sa existing rock ng igneous at sedimentary. Ang metamorphic rock is by intense heat, dito siya and pressure, doon siya nabubuo. Kaya nakabubuo siya ng kaya iba't ibang itsura. Gaya na ito. Ito ang tsura ng igneous rock. So, dyan siya nabubuo by intensity and pressure. By binding them, kaya doon siya nabubuo ang metamorphic rock. That's all. Thank you.